Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are with Big Johnny C. And you can see here a Motomoclos Johnny C lift. Awesome for scooters. We reckon a front wheel goes on here. You can dump the oil here or even get the wheel out here. But this is a top of the range Motomoclos from Italy scooter lift. As Nick would now demonstrate, it's a scissor lift, so that doesn't mean you need an enormous amount of room in front of you like you do with these psychedelic Chinese things that don't even do what they say. Now this particular lift, as you can see, is going vertically up. That means your bike isn't going in a parallelogram action like most of the new ones do. Okay, proper scissor action. You see here, proper bearings. If I can just measure this while Nick's pumping them up. You are looking at 50 centimetres, 19 3/4 inches wide. And the length is 155 centimetres, or 5, what's that, 5'1". Okay, we've got a hole there to take your wheel out, I presume, because the old scooter wheels are only 10 inch. The hole is 16 inch, 40 centimetres, and this one was a foot, I think, wasn't it? Yeah, 1 foot, 30 centimetres. And the height of it, as you can see, is basically 3 foot or 90 centimetres, which a normal Chinese parallelogram lift will be down here. Okay, so with this, you know, you won't have to be bending down to get to the thing. And as you can see, the build quality of this thing's amazing. Proper roll of ball bearings on here, solid steel, proper pins in here. This is your quick release system as it goes down like a safety. And you can see here the ram is a 300 kilo, which, to be honest with you, if it's made in Europe, unlike China, it will be tested to 2 or 3 times that. A Chinese 300 kilo lift does 300 kilos if you're lucky, and that ain't for long. This thing's over 20 years old, which gives you an idea of the quality. As you can see here, you got your scooter going down, or your motorbike. If you've got a small bike, motocross or something, would be perfect actually, wouldn't it?
That's Tekka 125.
Tekka 125, would it? Yeah.
You have to, you know, put a clamp on the front.
Yeah. Wheel clamp is obviously available. Yeah, and this particular pump, believe it or not, has actually lifted a Harley Davidson on this, which is made also by Motomoclos. So you're looking at serious, that's a 500 kilo lift. This pump has been connected to that. So I've just got an electro-hydraulic here, so that's the reason we're selling this lift and this pump. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666. CustomCruisers.com. I doubt it'll be on. If not, email sales@customcruisers.com. Thanks.